All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome in, ladies and gentlemen. We had a bad report on one of my stocks I own. That is BBAI, Big Bear AI, ladies and gentlemen. Let's look at the earnings. They were projected to do negative zero point 0.6 cents per share. They came in negative 71 per share. Missed everything, ladies and gentlemen. Missed everything, but this is my history. Let's look at the history. I am making money off of these. Sell put 80, 40. Sell call $63, 175. That's for this week alone. 75, 63, 40. That's over 200 some dollars. 250. All right, 250 option play. I got over 900 shares in this. Look, average cost is 763, 900, but my cost basis with this BABA is lower than that. I have, with all the cover calls I've done, only owe 2855.94. That's what I owe on the 900 shares. But I divide that by 900 shares. My average cost is $3.17. A lot better than the average cost on paper, ladies and gentlemen, of $7.63. I'm still positive. And what I left on this is what I'm down on almost. I mean, it's not no big deal to me. It's down this early market on Tuesday, ladies and gentlemen. The week, you see that big drop off. August 4th, there's the earning. 1 month, we're down 23%, $1.54. But for the last 3 months, ladies and gentlemen, you're up $1.48 year to date. 6% is 28 cents. I'm very happy to hold this for another year, ladies and gentlemen, to get that 6% and still do cover calls on the 900 shares I own. But this is what's going to get me right here. Is this one right here, this put. I'm going to have to roll this on Friday. World history. I got paid 40 cents per contract. Got 3 contracts. This expires on 8/11. Current price of BABA is $4.86. The cover call is $6.50. This have to go from $6.50 minus the $4.86. We'll have to go back another $1.64 before I could break even. I like to go up another dollar. I take the 3 contracts. I take the 300 shares and do cover calls on them. I mean, that's no problem. I mean, if I did get... That'd be all options. Let's say if I did get a sign. This could all change. I get a sign at $6.50. But if I sell it for a $7, that's $7.50 per contract. Time that by 3 contracts. That's $225 worth of premium I'm making. Yeah, $300 worth of premium and cover calls. That could change by next week. I mean, look, I have one here at 55, and then got 5 right here at, and I got 3 at 900. And none at 900. I was making some killer money off of it. But now I lower my cost base, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not worrying about BABA. BABA could be the next Palantir. Palantir had their problems at the beginning. And now look at them. They're trading at $180 a share. Overvalued in a lot of people's opinion, but that is what it is. I do have some in my individual account that I will hold and do cover calls on. I go to my individual account. I do have Average call 722. 300 share. I'm just doing cover calls on these. My cover calls on this is $8 and $7.50. $8 one. I got paid for $32. And the $7.50 paid me $82. That helped pay off my margin. 41 cents per contract. Got 2 contracts made out to $82. That's how I'm looking at it, ladies and gentlemen. As soon as I get my margin down on my brokerage account, I can start doing more puts on BABA and lower that cost down. That's what I'm doing, ladies and gentlemen. I seen that BABA could be the next Palantir, ladies and gentlemen. Or I could be wrong. But I have over 1,200 shares on my brokerage, in my not brokerage account, but in my traditional IRA. I will not sell them until they get back up to $7.50. That'd be a wash. That's the highest I had bought my highest shares. I bought at $7.50. Same with on my brokerage account. I won't sell them no higher than $7.50. That's how I'm looking at it. This is how I'm playing using my money and leveraging my money. This is not financial advice. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out, ladies and gentlemen.